Yo, hope everyone's well. Having a good trading week. It's been a while since I've made this type of video, but let's get to it. So I'm going to explain like what the price action is doing here, and in the next clip is going to be why my bias was bullish, because it helps knowing if a run on stops is an actual market structure shift or if it's just a run on stops like manipulation. So if you see at the 9 o'clock, just below, you can see the manipulation run lower. So it's trapping sellers into thinking it's going to go short, and then the real move is going long. If you think of like the buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve, you can use the other like premium arrays like SIBI, bearish order block, etc. You can use them as an inversion, so you can use them as like a BISI. So I've drawn those like a couple orange boxes across. I want to see them act as inversion fair value gaps, meaning support. So that is what true support and resistance is. You can see prices respecting the first inversion fair value gap really nicely. The second one, it doesn't get respected as much. That's because price hasn't, on the downside when it's running lower, didn't get respected. Um, just like the other CB, it actually got respected. So that's why prices, if that makes any sense. Um, but so I took a little bit partial because I saw quite like multiple wicks. So there's no point if you see wicks, you could potentially see a reversal. So I just took a little bit of partials off. But price ends up does running into the 5 minute SIBI, which is nice. My next target, you can see right at the top, that'll be my final target. But because of this video is running a bit long, I didn't want to have like a 30-minute video on my computer. So going back into the next video, I'll explain everything. And yeah, be safe. My paper trade using the breaker and so forth that I've been telling you guys how I trade. The reasons why I got in, so we go and look at the 1 hour. My target was this buy side here and this inefficiency here, so price it's still trying to make its way up. It's just made equal highs here, so expect that to potentially get taken. But yeah, so going to the 4 hour, looking to the left, price we've traded, ticking at buy side here, traded lower, back into what? This inefficiency right here. Okay, so this inefficiency right here. Take a look at that wick. It has closed more than the midpoint, so the consequent encouragement, it has closed before that. So I had that in mind. Look on the 1 hour. These two down close candles here is a bullish order block. So take sell side there, bullish order block, change set and delivery. Price is now, let's just draw it from this candle here. Now taps back into that again here. Draw just one candle here. Get the mean threshold. So look at the mean threshold. I was respecting that. Look at that there. That's quite neat. So we've had 4 hour BISI, mean threshold here of the order block. So that's two reasons why price potentially could bounce. Looking on the dollar, we've had dollar run up higher. Okay, so we've seen dollar run back into this weekly gap of this week. So like Sunday open, basically Friday closed to Sunday open. So we've had that rejection of that there. Didn't even get to the midpoint, like close above the midpoint. We've had that bearish order block here as well, so that's two more reasons. Don't think there's anything on the 4 hour. There was this SIBI here, but obviously this trade happened within this 4 hour candle, so I wouldn't count that there. But there's, I guess, a 4 hour bearish order block as well. So that's why the multiple reasons why I thought price potentially wanted to drop lower, taking out this sell side and back into this BISI here. That's my target, which will then send euro higher. So again, it was around about here when I saw all this happen. So had that confirmation candle right there with this 9 o'clock candle, or you can see it's rejected once, twice, 3 times, and then it starts trading up here. We've seen drop lower, taking out sell side here, change the state and delivery with this 2 down close candles, so that's a bullish order block on the 5 minute time frame. Let's just delete this for now. Okay, so this is the BISI here. I'm just going to delete that. So this 5 minute order block here, draw that across, go into the 1 minute time frame. Now we're just looking for the low and a high. So it's quite nice here. You can make a low, high, a lower low, then a higher high, breaker, fair value gap, tap in. But that is on the order block. So I don't really trade that. I trade more, I want to see price trade away from this order block, come back in of it. So low, high, lower, low. That low is lower than that low. Higher, high. This becomes a breaker. Draw that across. Then we've got this fair value gap here. Look at the bodies, not closing below it. So that's just another signal that price is in the right direction. And then, so that's my entry there. You can see on the video just before. And then it starts trading higher. Sorry about that. The way I found the fair value gaps, like inversion fair value gaps, if you're looking from this price run from the high down to the low, you can even draw it from this low here, this high, sorry. So you want to see these arrays here, like civvies, you want to act them as an inversion basically. So anything here, so you see this one here, you can see it respects nicely there. Okay, so draw that across. Look how nice price is respecting that as an inversion. There, so respects it there. Respect, breaks above, acts as an inversion fair value gap now. So look at multiple times, it taps into it, shows support. I did draw this one here, but again, I should have drew something that price was respecting beforehand. So I think I drew that across. Even though it does act as support here, once it does break lower, twice, it's not, I think that's the reason why price was not playing around, like was playing around out there and broke below. If you see the other one here, it was respecting it as soon as it broke above. I think that's just because price didn't respect it on the downside. So same thing. You can do it as you can do it as a breaker. You can do it as a bearish order block. So this one here, if price taps into that, doesn't quite tap into that there, but it taps into it there. But bearish order block here comes into a bullish order block. It looks like the mean threshold there. But yeah, you get the gist of it. So yeah, that was nice price action there. And then there's also another re-entry. So remember what I do. I do this quite a lot in the live streams as well, but you draw from the low to the draw liquidity here. So anything in this pink box is in a discount. So this candle here is a bullish order block. So this could be also, if you missed that entry here, this could be another entry. So we've gone to the 1 minute time frame. One more time. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. Breaker. There, what's inside this breaker? Fair value gap. Right there. Which I actually did enter again. But because it's breaking my rules, I actually just took out. So, but yeah, nice entry there. Taps once, one more time before running for taking out these equal highs here. So, oh, it hasn't actually taken out there, but yeah, I'm sure it will. But yeah, that was another nice run there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, comment below if you've got any questions like that. And yeah, be sure to look for the next video. Be safe.